welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. So in this video we will see how to solve this error. G++ is not recognized as internal and external command. So in previous video we learned how to install MinGW when we haven't set the environment variable path. In that case we will get this error. So first we have to set the environment variable path. So let's start. First, open your path where your MinGW is installed. So my MinGW is placed in Windows C drive. Here you can see folder for MinGW. So to set the environment variable path, we have to copy path from the bin. So let's copy this. Now we have to set the path. For that, go to start and search for environment variable. Open this. Now in user variables, we have one option for path. So in this path we have to set that. So just select this path and click on edit. Now here we have to add new path. So click on new button and paste your path here. Now just we have to save this. So click on OK. Again click on OK. Now we have to check our environment variable path is set successfully or not. For that, just open your command prompt. So first we will close this one. Let's refresh our system first. Now go to command prompt and type command g++ hyphen hyphen version. So you can see we have set the environment variable path correctly and we can get the version of MinGW. So in this way we can solve this error.